The FDA has approved the Pfizer COVID vaccine. That is right. It now has full approval. No more emergency use authorization for those 16 and above. We have the full approval, guys. This is what we have been waiting for, and it has come. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle. I'm a practicing family physician. I'm going to break it down for you because this was so exciting. I was on my way to work and I had to stop and do a quick video just to spread the news because this is huge. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is the thing. Full FDA approval has been given for people 16 and above for the Pfizer COVID vaccine. For those 12 to 15 years old, they still have the emergency use authorization, but we imagine that's going to change in the near future as the FDA continues to look at the data for that age group as well. Guys, remember 92 million people have gotten the Pfizer COVID vaccine, which is a lot of people. So the bigger question that I know you're wondering about, and maybe that I think is really important, is how this is going to change things for us. And this is what I have to say. And by the way, it's huge. I think this is going to change a lot, by the way. First of all, with this full approval from the FDA, Pfizer can now start advertising their vaccine. That's right. I wouldn't be surprised if very soon we start seeing advertisements for the Pfizer COVID vaccine to encourage people to get it. The other thing is we've been seeing more companies, more schools, more educational facilities, etc., start mandating the vaccine. Well, you know what? I believe we are going to see a whole lot more of that. You know, there have been a lot of companies and schools and places that have been holding out from requiring the vaccine because they were maybe a little uncomfortable because the full authorization had not been given yet by the FDA. Well, now that's changed. That's over. By the way, that full FDA approval is here. So for any of those companies that were holding out, they don't have to hold out anymore. And honestly, I think that we are all going to see more institutions and places of business, schools, etc., that are requiring us to get the vaccine because they feel more comfortable with doing that because it's fully approved by the FDA. By the way, I saw in the New York Times that United Airlines is going to be starting to require all of their workers or something like that get the vaccine. They were waiting for the full approval. At least that's my understanding. I think there's a lot of people too, many of you who might have been waiting. In fact, many of you told me you were waiting for full approval of the vaccine to get it. The Kaiser Family Foundation says that approximately 3 out of 10 people are waiting for the full approval, and this very well may change their minds. What I want to know from you is, where do you stand on it? Number one, did you get the vaccine already? Put that in the comments if you did. If you got the vaccine, this won't change your situation very much, but I would argue it still does change all of our situation because I anticipate more people having to get the vaccine, being required to get the vaccine to keep their jobs or to be able to go to schools or concerts or things like that. But also what that does is it makes it safer for the rest of us. Remember, the more people that are vaccinated, the better it is for all of us. This is a win-win for everyone in this situation. I specifically want to know from those of you who have not gotten the vaccine because you were concerned about it not having the full approval, what does this mean for you? Are you going to go ahead and get it now? How soon are you going to get it? I mean, do you still have reservations? I'm hoping that if you had concerns before, those concerns are gone. If the full reason you had concerns was the fact that it only had an emergency use authorization, which by the way is not shabby, and by the way is not a reason not to get the vaccine. So anyway, let me know in the comments if you're going to run out and get it. I hope you do, guys. This is exciting news. This is big news. We're going to be talking about this for a while. Things are moving forward. Still, get your kids vaccinated 12 to 15, even though it has the emergency use authorization. That is not inferior, by the way. Kids need these vaccines to go back to school. Everyone should get vaccinated who could. I'm excited. I hope you are. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician. If you've not subscribed to my channel and clicked the little bell for updates, please do. Guys, I'll see you soon.